Hello friends, my name's Joel Lenderman, and this is how I teach the Heel Toe Polka to third graders. In our very first lesson of this, while the students are still seated on the floor, the direction is to watch me and do not talk. And I begin. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, and right, left, left. Both. Pat, and step. 2, 3, 5, 6. Do it again. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, 4. Right, left, both. Pat, and step. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After the students have seen that a number of times, then I will invite them to stand up and join me, and we do it all together. Ready and go. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, 4. Heel, toe, step. 2, 3, 4. Right, left, both. Pat, and step. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, again. And then we will go through it again. In the next lesson you'll see here, we'll pick up with the students in front of me. We will do a review, and then we will add another element to the dance. So far we have heel, toe, step, 2, other foot, heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, right, left, both. Step, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, toe. And let's start again on this. Ready and go. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Heel, toe, and step. 2, and right, left, both. 2, 5, 6, 7.
Wait.
These way down. Face me. And where's the fingers? And hands are, we're going to start with the inside foot first. Okay? Heel, toe, ready, and go. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, 4. Now when we do our right. That hand. Right. Both. Pat, and then we step. 2, 3. I'm going this way, you're going that way. And guess what? We each have new partners. We're starting with the inside foot. Ready, here we go. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Heel, toe, and step. 2, and right. Left. Both. Pat. Next partner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Heel, toe, step. 2, 3, and right. Left. Both. Pat. Next partner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Step. 2, and one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Heel, toe, step. 2, step. 2, other foot. Heel, toe, step. Who was my volunteer last week to help me demonstrate? Okay, you're our volunteer. I need, let's have a different volunteer today. All right, that was easy. So watch closely. We're going to add one more item to this. Be ready when it's your turn to stand up, because we're going to do similar to what we did last week. When it's time for you to stand up, you'll know it because you have a partner standing there. All right? So hands over hips. We're going to start with the inside. Ready, and go. Heel, tap, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Tap, step, 2, and right, left, left. Boom, boom, pat, pat, pat. Now we're going to link arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. New partner. And we start again. And heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, other foot. Heel, toe, step. 2, right, left, left. Both. Pat, pat, pat. Link arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. New partner. Ready and go. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, 4. Toe, heel, toe, step. 2, 3, 4. Right. Both. Link arms. 2, 3, 5, 6. New partner, go. Heel, toe, step. 2, 3, 4. Heel, toe, and step. 2, 3, and right. Both. Pat. Link arms. 2, 3, 5, 6. New partner now. Heel, toe, heel, toe. And step. 2, and right. Arms. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so last week we added the linking arms. Give me a minute because somebody's already in the bathroom. We added the linking arms, and that took us 8 counts to go around to our next partner. And we've discovered by now that we're always moving in the same direction in the circle. And our partner is always moving in the same opposite direction in the circle. So if you find that you're going this way and then going that way, then something is going wrong. Okay? Because you're always headed in the same direction. Okay, so today we're going to add one more item to our activity, and then we'll be completely finished with everything that we're going to add to this as far as movement goes. So we're going to start out here, heel, toe, and in the place where we had our 4 steps, now we're going to do 4 small steps to the center, so it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then heel, toe, back out, 2, 4. Okay, so 4 small steps in, 4 small steps out. Okay, got it? All right, let's go. 2, ready, go. Tap, heel, tap, go in. 4, heel, tap, go out. 2, and right. Arms, 2, 4. New partner, ready and go. Heel, tap, toe, go in. 2, 4, heel, tap, go out. 2, 4, right, both, pat, link arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. New partner and go. Tap, small step. 2, heel, out. Right. Link arms. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. New partner. Heel, toe, in. 2. With either foot, you may start with heel, toe, in. 2, 3, 4. Heel, toe, go out. 2. And right. Left. Link arms. 2, 5, 6, 7. And go. Heel, toe, and heel, toe, heel, toe. 5, 6, ready, your partner. Heel, toe, wiggle it. Heel, toe, back out. Small steps, ready, to confirm. Now you can see maybe a little bit better that the inside circle, yellow and orange dots of the inside circle. Our outside circle is kind of where we are right now. It's kind of a big circle, and I'd like for it to remain kind of big like that, so that when we go in, we might not even get that far. How about we stand up? So stand up, face your partner. And heel, toe, in. Arms, your partner. Ready and go. Heel, toe, in. Heel, toe, Mrs. Goodwin's class performance of the Heel Toe Polka.